What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and we're getting ready to do a test drive on a 1967 Firebird. Let's have a 400 under the hood. Decently clean car. This one does have some body defects that you'll be able to see in the walk around video, so definitely check out the walk around video, and you can see the inside the trunk, inside the interior, under the hood, under the car, and all the body defects that I was going to point out to you. But for this video, we're going to take it down the road, point out any kind of flaws running and driving wise. It should be pretty fun. I believe this one's a 4-speed car as well. If you want to see close to 100 detailed pictures of any car at the car lot, also all of our inventory, go to maplemotors.com. That's all available on there. Every Monday we update with new cars, so you're probably going to see some cars in this video right here that aren't quite on the website yet, but they will be Monday. All the information will be uploaded by then. We also have shipping and financing options. All right, guys, if you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. Post videos every day. We're going to shut this hood, and it's that time. Let's go for a ride. Before we take off, gonna look around the interior. Has some green accents all over it. Do you think the horn works? I'll give you a little bit of time. That's the next video I'm gonna be doing, is that red Mustang. Be getting that here in the morning. It's about 5 o'clock here, so I'm gonna end the day with this car. You can see they got green inserts all the way around. The package trays got a little bit of wrinkles going on there, same with the corners of the headliner, but majority of it is in great shape. Go ahead, try the horn. Have you placed your bet yet? No horn on this one. There's an electric fan switch down here. We're gonna cut it on for sure. Put her in neutral there. Starts up nice. See, our gauges are coming up. Looks like our oil pressure is shooting up to, it's got good oil pressure. It's like 65, 70. Water temperature still low on this one. Blower motor does work. Oh, it's blowing out some fuzz and everything else over there, but it is working. It's blowing pretty hard. Like I said, that fan switch, definitely cut it on every time you cut the car on. Showing 13,000 miles on the dash. You know how hard that is to stand behind in a 1967 model? About impossible. Windshield wipers, do something. Maybe that knob isn't turning with this one. Yeah, it's definitely turning, it's just not working. I'll leave them on a second and we'll go ahead and try to mess with them here in a moment. Or I'll just mess with them when I do the walk around video. Be sure to watch that. All right, guys, it's that time. Let's go for a ride. Yep. Hit the seat belt. Perfect fit. Let's hit the road. Get this mat out of my way. That feels like kind of a short shifter there. Just the gap in between the gears. Indy shifting. See how she runs and drives here. Got a slight pull to the right. Steering's got a little bit of slack in it, not a whole lot. As soon as I go that way it starts pulling. Definitely a low gear ratioed car. It's 4th gear right there, and I believe at 70 miles an hour you're pretty much pushing it. Suspension's not too bad. 100% stopping at the gas station. The gas gauge is floating around, and since I got on it a little bit, it kind of pushes it towards the E. Try the brakes out real quick. Brakes feel good. Not too bad. Turn signals are popping up on the dash. So we're definitely going to pull up here, get about $20 worth of fuel, and we'll continue this test drive. I'll be checking out the gas gauge as well right after I get fuel, and keep y'all updated. Engine temp is coming up. It just now hit 160. Oil pressure still at 60. All right, I did put $20 worth of fuel in here. Let's jump in and see if the gas gauge comes up. Gas gauge is on the right side. It's just right there above the E. Look at her. She works. All right, we'll head on and get some more car shots here. Gonna pull out over here and get some outside shots. If you leave comments below, you're asking what kind of equipment I use, I put it all in my description. So look below in the description of all the videos. It'll have Amazon links to everything, including the GoPro 7, all the attachments that I use, and even this towel. It's a cooling towel. You get it wet, you shake it out, and it actually helps, especially on a 90-degree day. I'm gonna pull in here and get some outside shots. We'll keep these videos rolling. Alright guys, get y'all set up in the seat here. Go put my seatbelt back on. And we'll take off. We've been circling this parking lot for a little while. I don't know if you can see that. 40, about 40 on the oil pressure, 180 on the temperature. Everything's good. Staying nice and cool, so we're good to go. Oh wait, emergency brake is working on this one. Suspension's a little bit squeaky, kind of rigid. Wait for this car to go. I think we're clear here. Decently smooth driving car. I think you'll be happy with that if you come in. The only thing about this car is cosmetics and the paint job. There's some few spots that need to be taken care of for sure. I'm trying to push you to go watch the walk around video for a reason. If you're interested in this car, I definitely want you to see that. I want you to see my detailed pictures, because I know you like the way it drives, but we hit it with the lower price tag because of the spots in the paint that need to be redone. Does sound like it's got an exhaust leak on this one. We'll be checking that over in that video as well, the walk around. A decent little bump in the road up here. Kind of hear any of the rattles in the suspension of the car. It's actually kind of quiet when it comes to the rattles. I guess they put enough bolts in it. Alright, we're gonna pull back in the lot here. I'm gonna go ahead and do my walk around video. Here we go. Made it back in the lot. Appreciate y'all riding with me. Thank y'all for going down the road with me. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I do post videos almost every single day. We get all types of cars up here at Maple Motors. Some need more work than others. Some are ready to go. But we'll always get something new in every week. Check out maplemotors.com to see all of our current inventory. We do mark all of them if they're sold or if they're still available, with a price and a full description on our website. You can also get transportation. And yes, we finance. We got finance options at maplemotors.com. All right, guys. Gonna be doing the walk around video here soon. I got a few more cars to get to. I do appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again.